In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a card in Carrd. We'll start by opening your browser and heading to carrd.co. Carrd is a simple, fast way to build a single page that looks great on any device, which makes it perfect for creating a clean, card-style page for a personal profile, a quick portfolio, or a compact landing page. On the home page, click Choose a Starting Point. This opens the template gallery, where you can see a variety of layouts. You're looking for a card-style template that feels like your brand. As you browse, pay attention to the overall layout, the space available for your headline and description, and whether the design already includes buttons or icons you know you'll need. Think about your color palette and the mood you want to convey: warm and friendly, minimal and professional, or bold and attention-grabbing. If a template offers a preview, take a quick look to get a sense of typography size, spacing, and how it might handle longer text. When you've found a template that fits, click Select. Carrd will load it into the builder so you can make it your own. From here, you can customize everything on the canvas. Click the headline and subheading to replace the placeholder text with your message. Keep your headline short and clear, and use the subheading to offer a quick benefit or description. Click buttons to rename them and add your links. If the link points to another site, set it to open in a new tab for convenience. Swap out placeholder images by uploading your own. Choose images that are crisp, lightweight, and aligned with your brand. If the image settings allow, adjust fit and focal point to keep the subject centered. You can add more elements you want, like icons, additional text blocks, or dividers, using the Add Element controls in the builder. Arrange items visually so the most important information is obvious at a glance. Use consistent spacing to create a clean rhythm and avoid clutter. Open the design or theme settings to tailor colors and typography. Pick a small set of brand colors, make your primary button stand out, and choose a readable font size. For the background, a solid color or a subtle gradient keeps the card focused. Before wrapping up, check the mobile view to ensure your text remains legible and buttons are easy to tap. Aim for strong color contrast, descriptive alt text for images, and short scannable copy. Keep images optimized so your page loads quickly. And that's it. You've chosen a starting point, selected your template, and customized the card in the builder to match your brand.